Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at Noysi, which is an amazing tool that you can use to combine all of the different tools that you're using to run your digital business into one convenient place. As well as that, I'm going to show you an amazing website you can go to get this product today at an amazing low price. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the Noysi website. What is Noysi all about? Well, if you're running a digital business, from job shipping to lead collection, etc., then you're probably looking for a way to streamline all of the different tools and apps into one convenient location, because it can be sometimes a bit overwhelming having all of these different tools working independently. It's a huge software supported by large companies that offers huge advantages in scalability, security, and cost saving for all of the customers involved. So it sounds pretty good. Let's take a look at what this is all about. So basically the hot features enable you to have secure and encrypted messaging, unlimited file storage, video conference and desktop sharing, as well as task management. Now what's really cool is you can come across to the website and trial this for absolutely free. Okay, so you can see you can improve your brand identity by hosting Noysi on your domain without programming or maintenance. So you just need to click here on try it for free, and then we're just going to stick in an email address here. So here it's going to ask me to create a team name. So I'm just going to say a trial team 1 just for ease of use, and then just click on next. Then you can see you can select a username, so trial team 1 manager, and then we're just going to click next again. They'll then send an email straight away to you, which is going to give you the link to get towards this page. And then you can see that we now have access to this page here. You can see down below we've got the activity zone, all of the files and things we can then put into this area. We can create private groups to give certain people access where others might not, and then we can see the different tasks that we have. I can create tasks, I can then assign them to different people to allow different people to access the tasks on hand. Now people will often do these kind of things through Skype, through Telegram, and it's very difficult then to give certain people access to things where you might not want everyone to have access, etc. And it can get a bit messy and time consuming. You can then see that I've got a calendar that will link into my Google Calendar or Outlook calendar if I need it to, and then I can send like meeting invites, etc. through here. Clicking on this tab up here, guys, you can see that we then got various other features that we can use. So we can add on integrations. By clicking on here, we can see all of the different integrations that are available for us to work with, and as well as that, there's going to be more where you can use the API codes, etc. in order to connect the apps, etc. that you're using. If I want to change my team or give different members different accesses, then I can use this particular tool here, and I can select what I want people to have access to. So I want my admins to be able to do things like delete messages, I can do that, or take things off, and then just click on the save button here and everything will update instantly. As obviously I've just sent this up, you can see that my membership is here and I've created this member here, and then we can add and take away anyone we need to as well. Now jumping back to the main website to find out some more information, you can click on Enterprise here. That's going to give you access to this video that's going to show you a bit more about what's going on, how you can run the platform. But why would someone really want Noysi? Well, it will be your communication channel with employees, partners, customers, etc. and also will enable you to promote your own personal brand within your own domain. While on this website there's no initial investment, no deployment or maintenance requirements, there's also no initial investment, no development or maintenance required, and it's a SaaS maintained and evolved by Noysi, integral solution for chat communication, video calls, file tasks, and alerts. There is obviously going to be a pro version available on the website, which we'll look at pricing in a moment, but I'm going to give you a link a little bit later on in this video where you can get a massive discount for signing up today. So first of all, we can see that we've activated our Noysi on the basic plan, and you can see while you've activated your Noysi monthly, annual or lifetime plans, you can create active usernames, etc., which we have done. And you can see the activation price starts at $99 USD in a single lifetime payment. But as I mentioned, guys, I'm going to get you a big discount on that in just a moment. What does the Noysi CNAME allow? Well, deploy Noysi on your domain or subdomain, customize the logo in public areas, customize the favicon, and write a main text, etc. But it's all about what you can do with Noysi that makes it such a powerful program, and something that we here are really, really excited about. Because not only are you able to connect all of your different social media channels, whether that be YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, etc., but it's going to enable you to interact and help more the people who are visiting that website. You can access the source code of mobile apps, in your own distribution. You can access the source code of the desktop apps, you can customize the headers, footers, backgrounds, etc. You can access the main portal images. You can also connect it to the Google Play or the App Stores and customize personal folder names. You can see by clicking on the download part, we can access it for desktops. We can also access it on different apps and various other places. By clicking on pricing, let's see what the prices are on the Noysi website, and then I'm going to show you the best place to buy this today if it's something you feel that you need. So jumping down below, you can see prices by number of users. Now, if you're an early business and you haven't got many people on board in terms of your team, so 1 to perhaps 100 employees, the annual per user is going to be 48 euros, which is approximately $40, give or take, a few dollars, etc. And then monthly per user would be 5 euros. Now, obviously, if you've only got one user like yourself, then it's going to be a little bit cheaper. But as you start to add people on, you can see that the price will increase pretty drastically. I mean, if you've got a very large enterprise, annual per user obviously drops down lower, but these are pretty big numbers, pretty big businesses. The overall cost is going to be massive if you go through this link here. But guys, jumping across to the AppSumo website, link down below in the description, you'll come across straight to this page. You can get one-time purchase for just $129. No repeat annual fees, no repeat monthly fees. And you can see that this is an insane saving. If you were to go for one of the higher packages that allowed you to have loads of users, etc., it could cost you up to $35,000 or just over $35,000, which is absolutely massive. But for just $129, you can use AppSumo to access this product. There's also a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can trial it free for 2 months to find out if this is something that you really need, and then go on from there. Coming across, it's going to give you more information about the product here, as well as the plans and features of what it includes. So for just $129, you get unlimited SaaS users, unlimited storage, high security personal instant messaging, task managers, calendars, everything basically, guys, that we have looked through, as well as other coupons, etc. that you can use. You can come down below and you can see the different questions and things that people have used, and then you can perhaps fill in any gaps in your knowledge. As well as that, if there's any questions that you can't find answered here, then you can ask your own questions and then add to this. Down below, guys, we've got reviews. You can see everything that's been written by people who are already using it, and these are really detailed reviews put down here. You can see that everyone is saying, this is really the best thing I've bought in 2022. It's a great way for you to interact with all the independent contractors, and it can really help streamline your business, taking away a lot of the stress that you have so far. And there's also here talking about great service and support, which is always something very key, especially when we're running businesses, because if anything like apps, etc. go down, it can be really time consuming and expensive to sort out problems, as well as that can cost you money in terms of lost revenue. So in summary, guys, Noysi is an amazing tool that's going to connect all of your different tools that you're using in your business, enabling you to connect different social media platforms and much, much more, and streamline your workflow and your team's workflow significantly easier. Now, guys, as I mentioned, this is available in the AppSumo app. Down below, it's going to be so much cheaper, which will be $129 compared to $35,000 plus if you go through that link today. Now, it's not going to be available forever. So if you want this offer for Noysi, then make sure you're going down to the link in the description now in order to secure that offer. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. It helps us out more than you know. So thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to the channel and you want to hear all about these amazing digital products that we have available, and we'll talk about new ones all the time, as well as that giving you an incredible discount on them as well, then make sure you're subscribing to the channel to make sure you're kept up to date with all of the latest offers on the channel. Guys, thanks very much for watching. I will see you very soon with another video. Bye-bye.